Hello gang, it's Zane, and welcome back to some more Zane Till's Kitchen. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can be part of the Till gang. And welcome. Okay guys, today I have a really fun recipe for you. Today we're going to be making New Orleans style dirty rice in celebration of Mardi Gras. And before we get started, let's go over Zane's Till's Kitchen rules. Rule 1, always read the ingredients. Rule 2, always wash your hands. Rule 3, have fun! Now let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. You'll need bell pepper, you'll need green onion, you'll need yellow onion, you'll need chopped garlic, and you'll also need celery. We'll be using Creole seasoning. Two other seasonings on the way, but I'll let you know. Of course, you're going to need rice for this recipe. I'm going to be using chicken stock. You always want to read your ingredients because sometimes chicken stock has nut oil. So rule number 1, guys, always read the ingredients. Alright guys, so first we're going to start with our rice. Let's get started. Meet you at the stove. Okay guys, so we're at the stove and you're going to need a dough for this part because kids are not allowed to play with fire and that's dangerous. We're going to get started on our rice, so let's go. First you're going to need 2 cups of chicken stock. Then you'll need a cup of rice. So you're going to stir that in real good and let it go. Now you're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. Now we're going to add some cut celery, our yellow onions. Now we're going to take our garlic and we're just going to add 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to give our vegetables a nice stir. Don't forget to check on your rice. It's looking good. Okay, our vegetables are looking good. Now we're going to add our ground beef. Now it's time to add our seasoning. First we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Creole seasoning. Okay, now we're going to add our black pepper. Salt. And paprika. Our rice is about to ready. I'm adding some butter so our rice does not stick. Our meat is ready. Now we're ready to put it together. Smoking. Now we're going to add our green onions and our green peppers. Now you just stir it all together and that's it. New Orleans style dirty rice. Okay guys, you can serve your dirty rice like this, but there's one other way I like to show you. The second way we're going to do it is stuffed bell pepper. Check it out. Alright, all you're going to do is just take a bell pepper, and as you can see, it's cut in half. And we're just going to fill it with our rice. Okay guys, I'm just gonna finish stuffing these peppers, add a little bit of vegan cheese on top, and then stick them in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then I'll check back. I went back in and added some Cajun sausage to my bell peppers. And voila, there you have it, a stuffed bell pepper stuffed with dirty rice. Okay guys, that is 2 ways you can have New Orleans style dirty rice. Before we go, let's do a Tilgan shout out. Today's Tilgan shout out goes to Kingston BTV. Thanks for calling Kingston. Well, that's all for this recipe. Smash the like button, subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell being on this video. And I'll see you later, Tilgan.